sauce 'em up like mellow, yeah. Sauce 'em up.
What's good, YouTube? This your boy Super Jalen. Back at again with another video. I was thinking, man, let me just do a how to get 360 waves, you feel me? I know a little something for me, woofing for like 7 weeks through all those cold nights of just left, right, left, right, top, another top, back, back. So pretty much the keys you really need, to be honest with y'all, is to get a magic wave brush. I don't know if it'll focus, but it says magic wave. And the do-rag, man, ain't nothing like crazy that you really need, bro. All you need to do is brush your hair and wear the do-rag at night. Brush your hair, wear the do-rag. Brush your hair, wear the do-rag. It's simple. Brush your hair, wear the do-rag. You can search on all these videos and weird things on how you can use pomade tricks and all that, man. The only trick you need is to brush your hair and wear a do-rag, man. I'm just saying, the more you brush your hair, the more so likely your wave is gonna be stronger, you get what I'm saying? The less you brush your hair, you don't really want the waves. You don't want it that bad. You gotta want it. As you guys can see, I got a little bit of, they're coming in a little bit, you get what I'm saying? I gotta work more. But when I cut my hair, I woofed my hair up for 6 weeks. Woofing as in just let it grow out. And I just got some lineups through the time. You feel me? When you woof, your hair grows and it starts getting crazy. So what I suggest, if you guys want 4-round 360 waves, please don't get a temp fade and don't get a fade in the back, because it will really make you lose progress with getting waves all around your head. But if you don't mind losing the progress around here, then forget it. If you just want waves, you feel me, in the dark spot, that's fine. That's me. I don't really care. But yeah, man. Feel me? You just gotta wake up in the morning, brush, 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 brush. You gotta want it. Brush. Just tell yourself, brush. Set an alarm on your phone. And you know what the description of it's gonna be called? Brush. That's what's gonna be called, brush. Oh yeah, and most definitely, don't be scared to wash your hair. You know what I'm saying? Don't be scared to wash your hair, man. I'll be completely honest with y'all, man. I'll be battling with dandruff. Thank you, Dad. You gotta work for it, man. You gotta work. It's simple. It's not no, what application, what products can I put in my hair to get wavy? Bruh, brush your hair, man. Brush your hair and woof. It's simple. Brush your hair and woof and wear the do-rag. It's really simple. It's nothing crazy. And also, like, brush from where your crown is. You get what I'm saying? So let's start in the back and just brush. It's crucial, man. Brushing is crucial. That little hot towel trick, you know, I did that a few times. I'm not even gonna lie to you because I was desperate. The main thing you need to do, you feel me? Wash your hair like 3 times a week, 2 times a week. It's up to you. Just wash it and brush, man. Brush as much as you can. Brush consistently, balance everywhere. Brush on the top. Never brush to the side like this with the other hand. Never do this. Never do this. Left side, left hand. Right side, right hand. Never brush with your right hand on your left side. That's the worst thing you can ever do. Just gotta brush, man. You gotta want it. You chop off those knots, man. You get you a 360 brush and you just start brushing, man. Oh yeah, and another tip. Don't get a hard brush when you first started. Get like a medium brush. Because I got a hard brush when I first started and it felt like my scalp was on fire. You could get a soft brush. It's up to you. Since your hair would be low. But I suggest just get a medium brush. So it's in the middle. It's hard and it's soft. You know what I'm saying? I got a straight hard brush, man. Just think in the head. You want 360 waves, you gotta brush, you gotta work, you gotta build it. Wolf for 5 weeks, 6 weeks, just keep brushing, man. Just keep brushing. Get your hair cut. That's the first thing you should do is brush. Brush, 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 and brush. You get what I'm saying? If you guys got some of the video, like it, subscribe, all that good stuff, you feel me? I make videos around, it don't matter what topic it is, you know, if it's in my interest, I'll get around to it, man. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day and stay wavy.
Good one in the snow.